Hello and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at Clover's number 5 is Alive for August 14th, 2024. Clover's one of our setters here at Gas HQ. So my name is Bill Murphy. It is my pleasure, nay, my honor to solve this one for you. We are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create and solve our own genuinely approachable Sudoku for free for you. That's right, you. If you like me, yeah, you. Uh, and we do this every day. Yesterday's walkthrough will be coming through soon. But this is a Sudoku puzzle. You can find the link in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats is for a very fast time. 1 hat is for a pretty fast time. And everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. Yeah, let's just get into it. So, this is number 5 is Alive by Clover. Now, normal Sudoku rules apply. So, in here, each box, each row, and each cage must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, digits do not repeat within cages, so I could not put a 3 here and a 3 there for several reasons. But the other thing is, within each cage, the sum of the digits is either 5, 15, 25, 35, or 45. We don't know which one. If you're like, wow, that's pretty spicy. If you're like, that's pretty spicy, that's an absolutely fair point. I'm gonna try and guide you through this one. I really liked this one when I was testing it. So let's just jump right in. So don't forget to give it a go. It's a good puzzle. It's a really good puzzle. So now this cage contains 9 cells, and because digits can't repeat in a cage, we're gonna go ahead and put 1, 2, 6, and 7 here. Now these cells can't be 4 and 9, so these two must be 4 and 9. These 2 cells can't be, these 3 cells can't be 3 and 8, so this must be 3 and 8, meaning this is 5. Now, what's this cage? Well, 1 plus 4 is 5, and we can't put 14 in a Sudoku to get to 15, so it must be 4. 2 and 3, by the same logic, we need to make it equal to 5, because we can't add enough to get it to 10, to 15. Similarly down here, this must be 6 and 9, because it can't go to 25, or it's too big for 5. Similarly down here, 7 and 8 makes 15. That's all we can do. Now, this is also a 2-cell cage. This is 1 and 4, 2 and 3 by the same logic as these 2-cell cages. 6 and 9, 7 and 8. Because once again, 5, if it's bigger than 5, it has to be 15 for a 2-cell cage, because we just can't get that high. Now, so let's just explore that a little bit more. This is a 2-cell cage, so can't be 6 and 9, because so the only 2 possible combinations for a 2-cell cage are 5 or 15. Now, if this can't be 6 or 9 or 7 and 8, it means it must be equal to 5. Because we have 4 in the box, we know that this is 2 and 3, and we can take that out. And a lot of this logic is going to continue around the grid. If you haven't noticed, a lot of this puzzle is very rotationally symmetrical. So this can't be 1 and 4 or 2 and 3, so it must, and it can't be 7 and 8, so it must be 6 and 9. We'll take 6 out of here. So this can't be 1, 4, or 2, 3, and it can't be 6 and 9, so it must be 7 and 8. And this one can't be 6 and 9, 7 and 8, or 2, 3, so it must be 1, 4. Take the 1 out of here, 7 out of here. Now, as we are very intimately familiar, the digits 1 to 9 must sum to 45. Now, we know that this is equal to 15, and this is equal to 18. 45 minus 18 is 27. Now, 27 means that this 5-cell cage plus this must equal 27. So we look at our numbers, we go, oh, it's got to be 25 is the sum of the cage, so this is a 2, which takes 2 out of these cells. Now, 24 is what that equals to. So 45 minus 24 is 21, meaning this must be 6, 7, and 1. Now, our pairs can also help us clean up these, which I should have spotted earlier, but I was too distracted by Sudoku. Now, up here, this is 2 and 3 seeing this cell, so that must be a naked single, and I'm going to guess that's a 5 over there, just a blind guess. Similarly, that's a 5, and that's a 5. So this is 6, 9, meaning that must be 7. This is 1 and 4, meaning that must be 2. 2 and 3, meaning that's 6, 1, 7, and 8. So 4 along here in row 1 can't go in those cells, so 4 has to go there. 1 and 4. Where does 3 go in column 9? 3 can't go in any of those cells, so 3 must go down here. Where does 9 go in row 9? Can't go in any of those cells, 9 must go there. And where does 8 go in column 1? 8 can't go in any of those cells, so 8 must go here. Now, this is a 6, 9 pair. We actually know which way around that goes, which is nice, but that's equal to 23, so this is a 2, 3 and 2. This is 7 and 8. We know which way around that goes because we have an 8 over here, so this is 7 and 8. That is 19, so that's a 6, which means we can clean this up a little bit. 1 and 4 over here, we know which way around that goes. That's 8, so that has to be a 7 to make 15. And this is 2 and 3, we know how that goes. 5 and 9 is 15. No, it's not, it's 14. 1, 4, and 1. And now we are just doing some Sudoku to finish off. Where does 7 go in box 1? 7 has to go there, so this is 3 and 5. That's a 5. 1 and 9 in box 3. What am I doing? 5, 8, and 2. And this is 4, 6, and 5. This has been number 5 Is Alive by Clover. My name's still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Cheers.